Hello everyone, welcome to my another video of Power BI tutorial. In my previous videos, I thoroughly introduced metrics and some best scenarios to use it. Today, I will share some tips that help you to use your metrics more smooth. Let's work on these metrics that I pre-made. The rows are unfolded by the region, country, category, customer type, and this Boolean field is final revenue. On the columns, we have transaction month, and the value we want to measure is the revenue. Firstly, if you wanted the rows to be all laid out, and all the field to be showing the name, and you don't like your table look like this, like a step, you click on the matrix, you go to format your visuals, and you go to row headers, and you close this step layout under option. Now we have a really clean and clear table with all the fields name on it and all the fields all laid out. Secondly, in this case, I put 5 granularities in the rows. Sometimes you may put like 8, 9, or even more. To quickly drill up to the least granularity, you click on the symbol here, right-click, and you collapse all. Ta-da! All the granularity are folded. And if you wanted to quickly go up to the last granularity, you right-click here again, and you expand all. Thirdly, to copy data from matrix, you can right-click on any number you want, and you copy value. However, what's more useful of the Power BI matrix is that you can copy multiple values. For example, you press Ctrl, you choose multiple values. At this case, I choose 3, and you right-click on anywhere that you choose. You select Copy Selection. And let me open an Excel that I prepared, and I paste the selection here. See, all the values are here, and all the dimensions of this value is presented here. Isn't it super powerful? Fourthly, we can create a cohort view using metric. Let us move to the matrix down here. Now imagine in your head that if your company have customers on board every month and they are generating revenue every month. Start from the day they are on board. Matrix can enable you to track how much are the revenue brought by new onboard customer every month. Let's move to the matrix here. We have customer onboard month on the rows, and we have the transaction month on the columns. Now, all the cells on these diagonal lines represent the values of the customers that they brought on the month they are on board. For example, the value here represents the amount of revenue of the customer brought on the month they are on board, which is June of 2020. And what's getting better is that if you check the month after June, it shows a retention of the customer. For example, of the customer that on board on June 2023, are they still bringing in revenue on the month over the years, or the revenue is decreasing because some customers have already churned? Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned something and see you in my next video.